and your personal budget put together, and be honest, if you do have that, and it's up to date constantly, raise your hand. Okay.
Constantly?
Well, there you go. Like monthly, okay? And I'll say it monthly, okay?
Yeah.
So, I mean, and these types of things.
It's updated.
Yeah, and to be honest, that's about what I expected. It's 5% or less of the people have that consistently updated, when in reality, if you actually had that consistently updated every single month, if not every 2 weeks, to understand exactly where you're at on the financial side, you're costing yourself money by not having that in place, by not being able to plan correctly for tax mitigation strategies, for income shifting strategies, and things like that. And I can tell you that, you know, looking at it, my wife is a QuickBooks Pro advisor. She does bookkeeping for a living, and it's one of the hardest things mentally to get yourself to do, because nobody wants to deal with it. Nobody wants to look at their financial situation. So I tell people, go hire a bookkeeper. I don't care if it's my wife or your kid, to go track it constantly.